Struggling with repetitive processes? Dify Workflow automates complex business tasks in minutes. Start by choosing a trigger, like a new support ticket or form submission. Open Dify Workflow, click New Workflow, and choose your trigger. Next, add actions, assign tasks, send notifications, or enrich data with AI. Use conditionals and branching to handle different outcomes automatically. Save and name the workflow so your automations stay organized and reusable. Now build the flow, drag actions, connect steps, and configure each field. Run a test event and watch the live execution log for errors or warnings. Adjust mappings, fix fields, or add retries until the test succeeds. Enable the workflow, monitor outcomes in the dashboard, and review performance metrics. Combine multiple workflows to orchestrate complex processes end-to-end across teams. That's Dify Workflow. Automate tasks, reduce errors, and save time. Try it today.